I'm Dhananjay, Managing Director of Merck Life Sciences. I have had the privilege to be part of this organization for last 3 decades. So we started as a pharmacy in Darmstadt, Germany in 1668 and moving with decades and centuries now, I will say, creating a very vibrant scientific intellectual company which relies on science and technology. And that runs in our DNA. Through this, now we have 3 divisions globally: healthcare, life sciences, and electronics. Coming to the innovation, today we offer innovation capabilities for the globe in the chemistry as well as in advanced solution with our strong R&D team here in India. So overall, if we say we are creating a strategy where we evolve with India, not for only India, but for the globe also. India offers a great commercial opportunity where we are growing along with Indian ecosystem. To navigate this challenge, we are investing locally in manufacturing, in innovation, in capability center. Over last 2 to 3 years, Invest India has been a very constructive as well as impactful partner. They are our trusted partners not only to look for the investment opportunities, but also whenever any challenges is there.